Video, I will discuss our router dashboard and the widgets that can be utilized. In this example, if we look at the details pane, we can see we're looking at a voice gateway for the company Acme Incorporated. The manufacturer is Cisco, and the model is an ISR 4331. We know the type is a router, and it's located in the data center. If we move into the next widget, device status, we can see the modules that have been added to this device. We can see we have the ping module, the snmp module, and the config backup module. If you hover over each of these, they will provide additional information about their polling or discovery statuses. If we click on the config, we're able to quickly jump into the config repository, viewing and comparing configurations against each other. This can be especially useful if you have had a recent outage or someone has a complaint about a change. This is a great place to go find out exactly what has happened on your device. Moving through the next widget, we have the ability to see our CDP neighbors. So we can also pull LLDP neighbors here as well, depending on the model type of the device. We have our device module availability. These are the availability for these three modules that have been added. So we can see over the past hour, we've had 100% availability. As you scroll through, you can see each one of these is 1 minute. By default, Lumics polls on a 1 minute interval for all modules. Moving down, we can go into the CPU and memory utilization for this device. Again, all the widgets are impacted by this time range. And if we can select a different time range, all the widgets will update accordingly. The 1 hour time range is the default time range within Lumics. We have our hardware, which will provide environmental information about the device, as well as power supplies, which are being pulled. We do not have any events for this device in the last hour, and if we did, they would show up in this widget here. We have the ability to view and search all of our networks. We can check our latency, our packet loss, and we also have the ability to quickly graph any interfaces and what their transmit and receive history looks like over the past hour. Since this is a voice gateway, we have the ability to add a widget for a MOS score. If we add this, we can see over the past hour that our score has been 4.34. We can also quickly select the item there to graph out and look deeper into that. We could select that item and drill down to get even more granular information. To return to our default time range of 1 hour, you select the button here to return. Thank you for your time.